Okay, here we are starting a treatment. The machine's not turned on yet. See it start up as the salt is added. Being careful not to put it down around so that it actually touches the array. Kind of got it off kilter there a little bit. Okay, the salt is in, and it is starting to go now. Okay, we are about 4 minutes into it, and as you can see, it's starting to pull toxins. You have to drink a lot of water to flush that lymph system, and we'll just wait and see what it does. You usually stay in here about, they suggest 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Sometimes I do it longer. Sometimes I cut it to 30 minutes. Depends on the time. Okay, we'll be back. We are about 10 minutes into it. And as you can see, it's really pulling quite a bit. That orangey, rusty color is from joints. It's a joint thing that it's pulling, which totally makes sense with what's going on with me. So, it looks like there's a kind of a whitish thing too, which is lymph. It looks like there's a couple of them in there actually. There's one back there. There's one right there. Anyway, just wanted to keep you updated. We're going to do it in 5 minutes again. Okay, here we are about 15 minutes into it. And the water's looking pretty bad. Looks like we've got, it's not only the rust color, which is indicative of joints, but it looks like there's some green there too. And the green itself is more gallbladder, liver, stomach sometimes. There is still some little white stuff floating around, which is lymph. And it basically what it's doing is there are toxins and heavy metals and unnatural things that have attached themselves to tissues in the body, and basically those are called toxins, and they're actually positively charged. Electrons and neutrons and protons all have different charges. So they're positively charged, and the energy that's flowing through this unit into the water is negatively charged. So what it does is it allows a transfer and kind of breaks those bonds away and carries them out, some of which is going to come through my lymph system, some of which obviously is coming through right here, and take some of these toxins out. The reason that we do the feet is because there are about 2,000 pores on the bottom of the feet, and it's probably more than anywhere else in the body. So not only are they the easiest accessibly, but they've got some nice pores to be able to pull this stuff out of. Most people don't feel it being pulled out. I occasionally feel something, it's hard to describe what it is, but I do look occasionally when it happens, and I don't see anything directly, but obviously it's pulling out something. So anyway, here we are, 15 minutes. Be back shortly. Okay, here we are at 30 minutes. And I see quite a bit of the white type stuff, which again is that lymph coming out. The rusty color is from the joints, and I should have lots of that. And let's see something here. The green, gallbladder, liver. I'm thinking probably liver. Everybody's liver is toxic. Our poor little livers get worked to death with all these toxins in the air and things we eat, things we, do in general. So that's what that looks like. I'm going to do another 10 minutes and then we'll turn it on for the last time. And we'll see if it changes. Okay, here we are at 45 minutes, and this will be the last one. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. The stuff is pretty yucky. It kind of gets around your ankles, and stayed about the same color now as it had been. Actually, it changed from yesterday. There was a bunch of lots of white bubbles on the top, big bubbles, and that part has changed, but anyway, this is it. So this is what happens when you do these foot baths. Thanks a lot. Bye.